Tharos Distribution Magic Crack Filler is a dry, granular concrete repair product that pours cleanly into driveway, walkway, and patio cracks without creating a slurry or splatter mess. The powder settles deep into gaps, from hairline fractures up to roughly 2 inches wide, so the void is filled from the surface down instead of just being skim-coated. Once activated with water and allowed to dry, it firms up into a rubber-like material that flexes slightly with temperature changes, instead of becoming a brittle patch that chips out. Because the cured filler is gray and designed to visually blend with typical concrete, previously distracting cracks become far less noticeable, and the slab looks more uniform overall. The simple do-it-yourself application requires no mixing tools or special equipment, making it approachable for homeowners who want professional-looking results without hiring a contractor. Its compatibility with concrete, masonry, stonework, and asphalt means one container can handle a variety of horizontal cracks across pool decks, entries, and other high-traffic surfaces.